Today I am discussing about continuation pattern. Actually, whenever we buy the share and the share price is in uptrend, okay, but after buying the share, it start moving down, and we do not understand that the share price will go uptrend or it will go down. It is very confusing. So today I am going to give you the pattern, and after that pattern, if you identify the pattern, then you will understand that this uptrend will be continue. Or if the share price is in downtrend, and if you identify the continuation pattern, then you will understand that this downtrend will be continue. Mm. Without getting delay, I'm just sharing the mind map, and I'm going to discuss about continuation pattern. Before moving further, I am requesting to all of you, please press the like button. Thank you. At first, we understand what are continuation patterns. Continuation patterns indicate that the current trend, uptrend or downtrend, will likely continue after a short pause. So just assume share price is in uptrend. Okay. But due to profit booking, share price either goes to consolidation or goes to downtrend. So this is the confusing time, and we usually exit. But if you understand that this is a pattern, and due to this pattern, the share price will go uptrend again, then you will not exit. So this is very important to understand and identify this pattern. These patterns form during consolidation phase in trend. Once the pattern is completed, the price usually breaks out in the same direction as before. Now, types of continuation patterns. Actually, I have created number of videos on chart pattern, and I have uploaded in every Saturday. Actually, I am uploading. So if you missed that video, you can go to technical analysis playlist, and you will get all the videos related to chart pattern. So there are five types of continuation pattern. Today I am discussing only continuation pattern. Earlier I have already uploaded the reversal pattern video. Five types of continuation pattern. First is flag pattern. Second is pennant pattern. Third is triangle patterns. Fourth is rectangle patterns. And fifth is cup and handle pattern. So I want from all of you, if you have already heard about this video, this pattern, please put in comment box that what you know about this pattern. And in the coming Saturday, I will share you one video each Saturday for each pattern. Like next Saturday, I will give you flag pattern details, next to next pin, like that. So that's all from my side. If you're serious and if you want to learn from me about the stock market, either online or offline, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Thank you so much.